The tallest sandcastle in the world has been inaugurated in which country? Denmark. India's first FASTag UPI-based cashless parking facility has been launched by DMRC at which metro stations? Kashmiri Gate Metro Station. India's first maritime arbitration center is being set up in which city of the country? Gandhinagar. Which country has launched the Penguin 3E satellite? China. The GI certified Madurai Madli exported to USA and Dubai from which state? Tamil Nadu. Under which article of the Constitution the Trinamool Congress government led by Mamata Banerjee has passed a resolution to form a legislative council? Article 169. Who took charge as Minister of State for Chemicals and Fertilizers? Bhagwant Khuba. Legendary Indian player Keshav Dutt, who won 2 Olympic gold, has passed away. He was a veteran player of which sports? Hockey. The Indian Railways has set up India's first movable freshwater tunnel aquarium, Aquatic Kingdom, in which city? Bengaluru. Which e-commerce company has abolished plastic packaging? Flipkart. Amazon Inc. has launched its first digital Kendra in India in which city? Surat. With which Indian Institute Association of Chartered Certificate Accountants UK signed MOU? Institute of Cost Accountants of India. Which of the following has launched the newsletter platform Bulletin? Facebook. The Ministry of Defence has unveiled a new system for automated sanction and disbursement of defence pension. What is the name given to that system? Sparsh. Parshottam Rupala has been appointed as the Union Cabinet Minister in which ministry? Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying,